In this video, we'll explain why my iPhone text message sound is not working and walk you through 10 proven fixes step by step. Part 1. Why is my iPhone text message sound not working? If your iPhone text sound isn't working, check if silent mode is on, volume is low, do not disturb is active, message settings are off, or if there's a system issue. Part 2. How to fix iPhone text sound not working. Here are 9 effective methods to fix the iPhone text message sound not working. Follow them in order for the best results. Fix 1. Turn off silent mode. Step 1. Check the ring or silent switch on the left side of your iPhone. Step 2. If you see an orange indicator, silent mode is on. Step 3. Flip the switch upward to turn it off. Fix 2. Adjust volume settings. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, then adjust the ringer and alert sliders. Step 2. Enable Change with buttons and use the volume buttons to increase the sound, then test the message alerts again. Fix 3. Disable Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. Step 1. Open Settings Focus. Step 2. Tap Do Not Disturb and toggle it off. You can also swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control center, then find the moon icon and tap it. This will disable Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. Fix 4. Check Message Notification Settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, Messages, Notifications. Step 2. Toggle on Allow Notifications. Then under the Alerts section, enable all 3 options and choose a tone for the sounds option. Note: is your iPhone text sound not working when locked? You can go to Settings, Notifications, Messages and make sure Show on Lock Screen is enabled. Fix 5. Force Restart iPhone. iPhone 8 and later, press and release the volume up and volume down buttons, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold the volume down and side buttons together until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, hold the home and side buttons together until the Apple logo appears. Fix 6. Check Custom Settings for contacts. If your iPhone text sound is not working for one contact, the issue is likely due to a custom setting applied to that contact. Step 1. Open the Contacts app and locate the contact whose text tone is not working. Step 2. Tap Edit in the top right corner, then scroll down to find the text tone option. If it's set to None, change it to any available ringtone. Step 3. After selecting the desired tone, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. Fix 7. Disconnect Bluetooth on iPhone. Step 1. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, then check the connected devices. Step 2. Tap the eye icon next to the device name and select Disconnect, or simply turn off Bluetooth. Fix 8. Update to the latest iOS version. Step 1. Go to Settings, General and tap Software Update. Step 2. Download and install any available updates, then restart your iPhone. Fix 9. Reset all iPhone settings. If other methods don't work, resetting all settings can fix deeper configuration issues without deleting your data, restoring system settings to their default state. Step 1. Go to Settings, General and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Select Reset, then tap Reset All Settings and enter your passcode to confirm. Part 3. The ultimate way to fix iPhone text message sound not working. If the issue persists, deeper iOS system errors may be the cause. Using a professional tool like iOS System Recovery can fix the problem without data loss, restoring your text message, sound, and resolving other iPhone issues. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your Mac or Windows computer. Open the app and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. The tool will automatically detect any issues with your iPhone. Once detected, click Start to continue. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode to repair your iPhone without losing any data, then click Confirm to proceed. Click the Repair button to fix the iPhone text sound not working issue. Wait a few minutes, and the problem will be permanently resolved.